When categories share common attributes such as material, gender, or strength, you can use category attributes to simplify setup and greatly improve website filtering. For example, you could apply the clothing pants category to a product group and choose cotton, polyester, or wool for the material category attribute option. You could then do the same for other pants products, as well as coats, shirts, and hats. As a result, website users will be able to filter product listings by material type across categories. To open the Category Attributes asset window, go to the menu bar and choose Window, Attributes, or use Option Command 2. Category attributes are stored in folders called groups. To add a new group, select More Options, New Group, or use Shift Command N. Enter a name and press Return. When making changes to category attributes and their groups, remember that changes are not applied until you click Save. Let's add some attributes to the group by selecting More Options, New Attribute, or using Command N. Enter a name and press Return, then click Save once finished. To delete attributes, select them and choose More Options, Delete Attribute, or use Command Delete. If you decide not to save your changes, you can click Revert to restore the window to its previous save state. Using category attributes, you provide search filters for your products and further refine your categories in Tuplo Studio.